Crescent Industries partnered with our customer to achieve two manufacturing goals for their diagnostic test device. These goals included increased throughput and productivity savings. In order to achieve both, our design engineers created a mold design that would keep up with the current and future demand. We fabricated a new Class 101 8-cavity hot runner injection mold, which immediately reduced the per-piece cost. The next step involved coordinating our internal automation team with our customer to establish a fully dedicated work cell to manufacture the product. In conjunction with the 8-cavity mold, the work cell utilizes a 5-axis collaborative robot equipped with custom end-of-arm tooling to remove the 8 components from the mold and place them on a turntable. This turntable separates the parts by cavity and stacks them for packaging, allowing further cost savings by reducing overall labor costs. By teaming up with our customer, both goals of increased throughput and productivity savings were achieved. For more details, read our case study, Crescent Doubles Production Capacity While Cutting Production Costs by 18%, and imagine how we can help you.